Hi, for today's video is how to delete your Google Maps history. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So if you have web and app activity turned on, your Maps history shows you places that you searched for recently, reviewed, shared, were asked to review, and answers questions about. So to view your map history, go to the maps, press settings, and then press maps history. So to delete all places from your history, just press delete. You can have also auto delete. You can turn it on. And here on this side, you can delete the history from today, custom range, and delete all time. And then just tap delete. If you delete all of your maps history, it doesn't delete places you've saved, shared, or where you asked to review. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!